Okay, welcome back to another puzzle sesh. Hopefully this time we can... Okay, so this is very easy. The recognition of the pattern. You see the king, they are standing opposite to each other. So the king can't escape here, king can't escape here. So take away this file. How do we take away this file? With the rook, checkmate. So I'm seeing this. That is very obvious. Wait, check, checkmate. It was so easy, checkmate. So king can't go here because of the knights. King also can't go here because of the pawn. So you take away his last escape square, checkmate. Let's see, we see check. Then we remove the king as a defender of the rook, and we can promptly deliver checkmate when the king moves here. Bam! Alright. Now, two pieces looking at the same square. Checkmate. Alright. That check doesn't work, but this check does. Where can the king go? I don't see. Yeah. Checkmates. So I just was looking for a check, and we were lucky the bishop was already taking away this square, and checkmates. Great stuff. You're out. Okay, so let's see here. Aha. Check. Rook can't take because pinned. So the queen pins the rook. So if we take, king has to take, check, here, is that checkmate? Wait, let's calculate. So take, check, boom. That's not checkmate. Is it now? But still I feel like I have to sacrifice this rook. Let's just try it. Okay. So then check. But how is it made? How is it made, people? Because if he goes here, I come flying in here. But then he blocks. But then I can take that rook. Okay, right, yeah. Mate. Okay, great. Always great when we get a mate. I'm seeing this check. I'm seeing it. Is that it? Don't think so. King escapes. But we gotta get our queen out of here somehow. Right, folks? Yes. And then I think moving this pawn up. Is that it? And then check. I was sort of stumbling into it, but then he goes here, and then I go there. He goes here, but then I win the pawn. So yeah, okay. We can't go here. We would love to go here, but the queen takes away that square. That damn queen. So we gotta deliver check in another way. See this one. And I think that'll be checkmate because the rook takes away this escape square. Oh! Is that a pin? Yeah. And now another check. So if you're in a game, you don't really know what you're doing, just try to give some checks. Safe checks. Don't check and blunder your queen. But you never know, you might just win the game. So I'm seeing this. Check. Check. But then the queen just takes. Double check though. So I see this. And then it's a double check. Ah, yes. The famous smothered mates. So you sacrifice your queen once again. And now the king is totally sealed in and you just give a check. That's hard to spot, okay? This is advanced stuff. The double check. So you check with your queen, you check with your knight, so he has to move. And then it's a smothered mate. Very low chance of you getting that in a game, but if it happens, you feel great. So we're black. See this check. It's kind of an obvious check. But yeah, if it's so obvious, then why not just give it? Because that's mate. Okay. Is that mate? Yeah, two pieces looking at the same square. I think this is mates. Sometimes life can be that easy. So I'm thinking first this, but then this. Thinking this, yes. And now this, right? And now is there, or we just win the rook? Or is there like even a mate somewhere here? No, I don't think so. Oh, right, and then the pin. That was some advanced stuff. I stumbled sort of through it. I thought it was... But I didn't quite... I actually missed this, but I missed this. But it worked in my favor because there's a pin. So you see, even though I wasn't even really aware of what's going on, I just sort of followed the principles. And you're up material. Okay, great stuff. Okay, almost 1600s. We are getting there, folks. I'm seeing a check. Ah, yes. Check. And now the pawn comes to block. What a jerk. But we can sacrifice the knight. And what happens is the pawn has to defend. Nothing defends the rook. And we win a rook. And the rook is worth more than a knight. So it's a sacrifice we want to make. Check. Checkmate. Checkmate. Great stuff here, people. I just saw that if I promote this pawn, it's check. And that would eventually lead to checkmate. You don't take here. Please don't take here. And with the king supporting the queen, you deliver mates. Alright, well, I actually got through this episode with making 0 mistakes. How good am I?